Wajdi Sahib for the mayor, and we thought that it was appropriate that he present him at this moment in his hat, in his house, in his chamber. No, really.
That's fantastic.
Wow, that's great.
I'm delighted.
Yesterday when we mentioned him, he thought that this was one way of saying he's married now. So I said, no, you shouldn't be worried about that.
Especially when we have a Qumran next time, it must be with this shawl.
This is for the
Yeah, this is a tradition.
Sorry.
He's alive, Jolly. A lot of people.
Thank you. It's work.
Thanks, Your Excellency.
अशरफ साहब सिंध में अदरक जो है बड़ा बड़ा आना है पंजाब में अदरक जो है